Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to merge two videos in OBS Studio, step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Step 1. Open OBS and make sure you have a new scene created. You can do this by clicking the plus icon under the Scenes panel and giving it a name. Step 2. Now we need to add the videos you want to merge. Go to the Sources panel and click on the plus icon, then select Media Source. Name the source and click OK. Now, click Browse and select the first video file you want to add. Make sure the loop option is unchecked unless you want the video to keep playing continuously. Click OK to add it to your scene. Step 3. Repeat the same process to add the second video. Once both videos are added, you will see them on your preview screen. Adjust their position and size as needed by dragging the edges. Step 4. To merge the videos, we will control their playback sequence. To do this, you can toggle visibility using the eye icon next to each media source in the Sources panel. Start by making only the first video visible while keeping the second one hidden. Once the first video finishes playing, you can manually hide it and make the second video visible. Step 5. Now it's time to record the merged video. Click on Start Recording in the Controls panel. Play the first video, then switch to the second video at the right time. Once you're done, click Stop Recording. Your merged video will be saved in the default OBS recording folder. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.